Got a bearing turning final, 361.
Baron, roger, continue. I'll call you out here in a second. Alright, so Baron, I see you now. You're runway 36 left, clear to land on the yellow dot. Nice job there on the yellow dot, my high wing. You can turn. Alright, nice job, Baron. You can set her down anytime now. I appreciate that help. That's great.
No problem. Been here before.
Excellent. It shows. You did a great job. Everybody landing runway 36 left, plan a left turn off onto the hard surface taxiways. Grass is unusable for us today. So we'll have aircraft coming behind you, so we'll need you to get the taxiways there as soon as possible. Low wing tail dragger, mile southwest of Oshkosh here. Proceed directly through the numbers, runway 36 left, and you're clear to land on the yellow dot. Surface, and welcome to Oshkosh. Alright, everybody's doing a great job today. We're just planning everybody landing at the yellow dot. We need to keep you up here to the north, so there aren't any flight people down to the south past Pampa 4, so we're going to get you Pampa 3 or further north. We just plan on rolling out a little bit, but we'll move down the runway as soon as we can do it. Low wing tail dragger on the base, proceed directly to the numbers, runway 36 left, clear to land on the yellow dot. Just past the train, just past the pink dot, turn left at Pampa 2 and follow flagman to parking. Nice job, everybody. Welcome to Oshkosh. Nicely done. You put that right on the yellow for me. I appreciate it. You're going to turn left to Pampa 2. The guy's rolling out. Nice job, Sirius on final. Keep it near until the yellow dot. We'll plan a left turn off at a hard surface once you get up here. Copy that. We're going the FBL. Roger. Red and white aircraft over Fond du Lac report with Warbird Island. Do that as quickly as possible. We're going to do it north of Pampa 3.
Blue Hellcat, Warbird Island.
Blue Hellcat, roger. Alright, the Baron, runway 36 left, clear to land on the purple dot.
Purple dot now, 8 rim Mike. And Oshkosh Tower, red and white, air traffic 2 mile follow. Right.
The Blue Hellcat, proceed inbound. Make it straight in for runway 36 right. Can you accept the right side?
I prefer the left side if we can.
Roger, straight in, 2 mile final for the left side.
Straight in 2 mile final, 36 left. Okay. And air traffic 2 mile final for 36 right.
Air tractor, roger. Runway 36 left, or correction, runway 36 right, clear to land on the yellow square. There's Twin Beach ahead of you.
Okay, I got that. I think I'm parking to the west side of 36 left.
Okay, you can go to 36 left for the Ag Cat, and we'll get you in there at Pampa 2.
Okay, 36 left, and what dot am I going to?
For the yellow dot, you're clear to land yellow dot.
Clear to land yellow dot, 36.
Turn left at the next hard surface, there's an aircraft rolling out behind you as soon as you can.
And Baron, don't turn over to tail dragger, just take the next one past him, please, totally on the runway. Hey, runway.
Twin Beach, just continue down the runway. That was a great job, thanks for that. Down the runway, they'll pick you up in the air and go down to the yellow dot. 36 left at the yellow dot, clear to land.
36 left, yellow dot.
Air tractor, nice job. And you can set it down right now anytime. Okay. The high wing tail dragger there, just on foot final. Now you can keep it airborne all the way down to the yellow dot. Yellow dot. Detail Bonanza to the southwest of the airport here. Turn west direct to the runway numbers, runway 36 left. It's clear to land on the yellow dot.
Clear to land on the yellow dot, 33 golf.
Alright, and the air tractor, just keep going down the runway, turn left at the blue dot. I'll take you up and get you where you need to go. Welcome to Oshkosh.
Alright, thanks. Go down the blue dot. Hellcat final, 36 left.
Hellcat, roger, runway 36 left, clear to land, purple dot.
Purple dot.
Detail Bonanza, you're doing a great job. Great job, everybody. We appreciate all your help, and we'll get you where you want to go. Detail Bonanza with the white stick tanks. Nice job on that spot landing. We're glad you're here. Do me a favor, just keep the taxi going, speed up a little bit. I got a guy landing by. Nicely done. Thank you. That's pretty.
Thank you.
The Hellcat, you said. Nicely done.
I've got our black and silver phenom over Fond du Lac for Warbird Island.
The black and silver phenom, Oshkosh Tower, roger, report, Warbird Island. Roger, continue about, I'll let you know.
October. Copy, we're going to Boeing Square.
Roger.
Towers, Red Cirrus demo over Fond du Lac on the Warbird arrival.
Red Cirrus demo, roger, report the island. DC3, Warbird Island. DC3, roger, continue.
Continue inbound or continue orbiting? Mike Hotel Bravo, clear to land.
Clear to land, Mike Hotel Bravo.
Mike Hotel Bravo, plan the yellow dot for now.
Yellow dot, Mike Hotel Bravo.
Cherokee 36 right, red square, clear to land.
Okay, green DC3, Warbird Island, do you want to continue inbound or continue orbit?
On the base leg, direct to the number 36 right. You can turn it in now. There you go. Clear to land 36 right. Everybody on 36.
Cherokee on 36, Cherokee on 36 right, go around. Cherokee on 36 right, go around.
Land 36 right, you're not going to stop. Yellow guy, or maybe yellow, over the number 36 right. Clearly in red square, you're going to keep it moving just like the guy in front of you. The go around guy, thank you for that. Start the downwind, 36 right. Oshkosh Tower, Bonanza 399 Tango Alpha, 6 miles out on the ILS.
We're going to take off, roger.
Oshkosh Tower, Cirrus demo over.
Yellow tail dragger landing on the yellow dot, runway 36 left through to land, then you keep it rolling down and take a left on the hard surface. On the right side, the white low wing, continue down the runway, keep it rolling. Light sport on the right side, thanks for the help, good job there. Short final coming up on the numbers, 36 left all the way down to the yellow dot, clear to land, and then left turn on the hard surface when able. Welcome to Oshkosh. Continue straight to the numbers, runway 36 left on the yellow dot, clear to land. Keep the speed moving on the yellow tail dragger on 36 left, keep it rolling, we got people behind it, keep it going, there you go, pick it up just a little bit more. High wing Cessna turning final, runway 36 left, clear to land. Yellow high wing Cessna, runway 36 left, yellow dot, clear to land.
Beaver, get off the center line if you could. Left turn next.
I am moving clear.
DC3, continue. DC3, you can turn off at the Boeing Plaza turn there.
Okay, and the Boeing Plaza turn confirm is where the RV is going?
DC3 affirmative.
Okay, sure thing.
Turbine Legend, more per down.
Turbine Legend, Roger, report.